bright. It's a beautiful bird. There's not much warmth in it, but it's better than nothing. Look at that driftwood bunny. Quite white. Oh, this is cool. Literally a cold wind, but oh, look at the seagulls. Drifting on the wind. Oh, hello. Come and say hello. Don't make me nervous, Bonnie. Not too close to the edge there. Listen to the sound of the water underneath the boardwalk. We went for a walk earlier, didn't we, Bonnie? And I came across a lady that had the most beautiful, colourful jacket, an older lady in her 80s. I could have almost called it the Technicolour Dreamcoat. Joseph in the Technicolour Dreamcoat. Is this a pelican? Oh, look at you. Hello. Can you see it? Oh. Hello, pelican. So I just mentioned how beautiful her jacket was, and then I noticed the colours from afar. And she loved that compliment. She said, "Thank you, I've had this a really long time," and I asked her where she got it, but she either didn't hear me or she didn't want to answer. And it had, here comes another pelican. There's another pelican. And it had these images of Egyptian characters doing the Egyptian sort of dance all across the jacket with these beautiful brumbies, these brown brumbies. Oh, look at all these birds. And there's a little Willy Wagtail. Willy Wagtail. I love these ones. They're so cute. Look at him, wagging his tail. Like you, Bonnie. See the bird? Can you see the bird? It's a bird. Look at that, the sunset. So pretty.